Look! No hands! Wait, hands. I'm keeping that. I got hands. Not having to hold my phone around every time I'm doing a recording. Finally replaced my camera. It's just 4K now. Not that I'll probably be able to tell the difference, but anyway. I've got another project in line. Have one thing to admit though. May have started it and forgot to film. But we can do something about that. Now I'm going to whiz the camera around and show you what I'll be up to. Here we go. It's a box. Looks very plain. Because it is. It is a handmade toolbox made by my granddad. My grandma recently offered them to my brother and I took her up on the offer. I've got this one right here and another black one over there somewhere behind the detritus. I have a stash corner full of bits and bobs ready to restore. No previews. No previews. So, I was naughty and I started some things. Took some footage of that. It's not great. So we're going to forget that ever happened. And I'm just going to run you through again. And here we have all the hinge bits and bobs. Here we have a scabby hinge. Brass. Real brass, not coated brass, just brass. Here we have another partially cleaned hinge. That's like cleaned, that's like scabby. Now my granddad was a legend. He used all the same size screws, so I don't have to worry about getting mixed up. Oh, I will splice in a bit of footage because these were disgusting when I started. Absolutely gross. And now they're nice and clean. They're the corner protections from the opposite corners to this. And that's what I've just been doing here with the corner plate protection. So you'd varnished over some of them in some places. I don't know, there you go, there's some varnish. And the other one is in here somewhere. There we go. Looking a bit grotty and a worse for wear. So I'm just cleaning them up. It's already looking much better, but age scratches. It's no cool. Blacks are a bit gross too. We have a destroyed lock because the lock disintegrated, but it's nice and clean now. And we have the brackets, which were in a very, very sorry state, but with corrosion. I held the makeshift handle on, which I'm thinking of swapping out with proper leather because this is a bit manky. And that's about it. That's as far as I've got. So today's job is taking up the last of the metal. So I'm going to do a magic trick now, and voila, the lid is off. We've got the lock latch to do. Yeah. We've got this plate here. Well, edging with a few screws in to take out. Saw securing latch thing. Quite a cool feature. Doesn't really work too well, but it's a nice idea. And look, a secret slidey drawer, which I'm just going to clean up and make work a bit better. Oh look, we've got the camera lens cap. Let's yank that away. Woohoo! See, trying to be more professional and more bloopery. And I think this is as much as I'm going to disassemble this, because it's all nicely held together with dovetail joints. I should be doing jump cuts, but it's so much easier just to do it in one go. There you go, that's where I took the corners off. And once all that's done, we're going to be sanding this off. We're going to see how that goes. Without further ado, let's get to business. I've got power tools this time, because doing it all by hand was exhausting. Oh, this sounds dreadful. Is it attacked on the other side? Nope, it's just stuck in place with varnish and all sorts. Let's try again. No, that's out. That's definitely out. Yeah, that's out. So is that. And that one. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, and she's free. Put that to one side, like a Blue Peter moment. I'll take those out. Right. And the lock and latch. And with a bit of a wiggle, it is free too. Oh, hello. My granddad had decided he wanted to do this. I'm going to come show you. Hands to camera time. It's like one of those Blue Peter moments, if it stays focused. So, screws, bit of cardboard, a bit of cardboard, bit of a spacer, a washer sort of thing. Oh, so we can get it to focus. Oh, that went wrong. So if I can manually do this. There we go, it's a tobacco wrapper. As old as a box. I'll probably try and put that back in. Nice feature. And it's time to bring out the big guns. Need to put something underneath it. It's sliding. Let's try again. Where's the button? There it is. Some interesting colour. Let's slide it over the other box over for a side-by-side comparison. I'm thinking I can do something with this. Might take it back to the original stain, just cleaned up. But I might be able to just clear stain it and actually show the aging of the wood. I think that'd be a nice idea. Let's get it finished up and then show you the finished product. Right, to finish the interior now. Green screen fully over again. What do we think? I'm quite liking this. I might just clear it like this. Aged look, but yet restored. Deep scuff marks from all the tools that have been in here. But it's cleaned up quite nicely. When recording videos, don't forget to charge your camera. Swapped camera now, I'm on the phone. I'm about done. I've got before and after of the main part of the box. It's transitioned from before sanded to after sanded, and I'll update in the next video.